So I just made a protein shake, protein smoothie, whatever. I just add cashew milk, the protein powder, and just like some berries, banana, any fruit or whatever. If I had spinach, I'd probably add spinach just to get, you know, as many nutrients in as I can. So yeah, I just wanted to come on because I haven't talked in this video. You guys have just seen like some clips. Hello. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Bria. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you clicking on my video. Definitely scroll down and hit the subscribe button for me. That way you'll help me grow my platform and grow my channel. So yeah, hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell next to it, and that way you'll be notified whenever I post a video. That's Brooke. I'm gonna prep some chicken breast and probably some broccoli, and that'll just be my meal prep for the rest of this week. Today is Tuesday, January 2nd. So I'll just have that for tonight's dinner and tomorrow and Thursday and Friday. So yeah, I was just coming on to introduce the video, let you guys know what was up, and I'm gonna sip on my protein shake and get my child down for a nap soon, and I will probably pick the camera back up when I prep the chicken and stuff. All right, so I washed my chicken breast and I'm just gonna pat them dry and season them, and then I'll put them in the skillet. I got some broccoli. This is just a bag broccoli. I'll season that up. And then I'll make some brown rice. But yeah, for the most part, I try to just do the meat and the veggie. I probably will have the brown rice because I don't have any more salad. So yeah, I'll do the chicken breast, broccoli, and the brown rice. And yeah, I gotta actually run out now to pick up my sister, so I will start on this when I get back, and I'll just show it to you guys when I'm ready to measure it out and put it in the containers. So these are the meal prep containers that I use. I got these at Walmart. They were pretty cheap. I think they were like $4 and something. And this is, I think, yeah, 5 containers. I hope you guys found this video helpful and got some healthy meal ideas or ideas for your meal preps. Let me know if you guys end up making any of these or plan on making any of these meals. I know I really enjoyed them, and I'm trying to enjoy my fitness journey, so I want to have as many options as I can. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I truly appreciate your support. Leave me a comment down below, like this video, and subscribe to the channel for more. See you guys next time. Peace.
There's been a whole lot of trying, whole lot of crying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying to be like you, but I don't wanna be like you. There's been a whole lot of trying, whole lot of crying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying to be like you, but I don't wanna be like you. 'Cause I could do better. I could do